Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can customize our Samsung Galaxy phone, especially on how to customize our phone's theme. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and as you can see guys, I'm using the default theme and it's kind of boring, so I'm going to change it. I'm going to make my Samsung Galaxy phone more aesthetic. Okay, and if we want to customize the theme, we can go to our setting, and we have to go to the theme section or the themes menu. Here we can use a lot of themes from the Galaxy themes, and I'm going to search for specific themes. Since I want to make my phone looks more aesthetic, I'm going to search for the aesthetic themes. Okay, and here are some results we can use. And if you want to get the free theme, we can filter it. We can go to this popular section, and then we just need to click on top free. Okay, and these are the free themes we can use. I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and then before we apply the theme to our phone, we can click on download to download this theme, and we just need to wait until the theme has been downloaded on our Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, now the theme has been downloaded, and we can click on apply to apply this theme to our Samsung Galaxy phone. We have to wait until 100% guys. Okay, and now the theme has been applied to my Samsung Galaxy phone, and as you can see guys that my phone looks more aesthetic than before. Alright guys, and that's how we can customize our Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.